Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Check, 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 check. Wagwan people, what is going on? What's up? Yeah, like, share, and follow. Tell them, yeah, what's that name? Sweet Julie? Sweet Julie. Yo, me don't want to bother me, you know, right? Raga, what you text along for start talk? Raga, you know, at 6:30. Uno don't police me, right? When you come on, you wait till the people them come a regular thing that people do in their life, right? Me don't want to come over here with no miserable. Me don't like miserable people. I mean, I like anal retentive, picky people, whatever, who just come here on social media for bother people about foolishness. Wanna relax, man, and take it easy. All right? Okay, Claudia Clark, good evening. Shanette, what's up? You know, say, me I call it the name and I never did know who at first, but leave that alone. You know what's up. Okay. When they say waiting on the return of the rock and things, Sweet Julie, when they are juggling. Hey, talking about the mix-up yesterday. You know, I say when me edit it, I see my post it, right? I post it on my TikTok page here. But yesterday when me edit it, you know, I realized say Rock did say, yeah, I know when me I do certain things, me still feel the pain in our back, in our bottom, in our back, in our lower back, you should say, yeah. Me never pick up that one there, you know. Because you know I wish I referred to, though. And if you never listen yesterday, you're not going to know what I talk about. So don't pressure the thing. But the mix-up is up on my page. Yeah, but you said that, yeah, I want to pick it up, though. No, you know I said I want, oh, I make that pass me. No, I'm going to go lose this, so I'm not lying. I drop the catch right there, so I drop the catch right there. But I was laughing so hard, man. Somebody said, Raga, I have never seen you. On my Instagram page, Ragashanti. Somebody said, Raga, I have never seen you laugh so hard or whatever. No, that is so true. I was just so busy. But the way your Panderac tell it mix up to, you know, it's like you get a good laugh, and while you're in the middle of that good laugh, they should drop another punchline, you know, so, you know, it just pile on, and then when the one come, she drop another punchline, so it just did a pile on. Yo, after a while, you know, it's like my ribs them right there, so you know that little pain on your side there, so I murder she wrote, man, me I tell you, man, me did have got through it, man. Yeah. Sweet Julie said, Raga, me no want you laugh off. No, me I tell you, the thing did serious yesterday, me not lie. It did serious, bad. Anyway, we is our day here. Once a greetings and good evening to the item, you know. Blessings and respect. You don't know everything is all about the jugglings and sitting, you know. Yeah, as I come in, just make sure say if you don't follow me yet, you know, just kind of like lucky in the follow and share the live, right? I could see if we can make that live, yeah. Oh, see, yo, see Pandora there. KRC Shopping Services, that's a fear handle, right? KRC Shipping Services. That's her. She said, my mother just a year and she laughed till she... Why? Me don't know. People me post it and me I tell you say it have the people them going. Yo, anybody listen to it, man? Alone laughing them a rinse, man. You understand? The mix up, take it. Yo, after you hear a mix up like that, you know, you will have good mix up come after that, you know. I know sound good. Yeah, because you know that thing the way it set a standard and then you have some other mix up a forward after it. And if they mix up then a buck and turn up and whatever, you know. Like no real things to them, you understand? It's like when you get something, you like somebody cook some good food for you. Like some good curry goat or stew, peas or whatever. And then it's just excellent. And then somebody else cook it and it cook good, you know. But because you get that one upon the high standard, there you're just like, That's why Einstein said everything is relative, right? Something gets its character relative to the character of other things of the same nature. Anyway, I want to say good afternoon to you folks. My name is Ragashanti. Me and my mama last picnic. Hence, Miss Cherry Wash Belly. Blessings and respect all Massive and crew. We is our there. You're in tune to Ragashanti Live. That would be me. Yours truly. All right. Blessings. I don't know where the levels go. You know, sometimes we work with topic and sometimes we just leave it open, you know. Who want call in with a mix up, you call in with a mix up. So the thing's set, right? All right, what y'all said do differently. All right, yeah, go on.
Alright, Raga, me always listen to you
Yeah,
when I was smaller.
yeah,
Get whole heap of lick when me go to school.
right.
Just to listen to you. But I've a little mixed up.
Yeah, Senna,
You know, me start work after school and I want to bar work me get.
right.
So me did meet this policeman
Yeah,
and rent you and me have one daughter.
yeah,
So me call him and say, rent one make up.
mm-hmm,
So him say, yes, him have like him say him have a special assignment, so him have to book in our hotel. So him say me have to come feed.
yeah,
So me say, alright,
yeah,
me have half a rent, so you know me gone in I half a rent
yeah,
to pay fare.
right.
But you know Raga me said to him say the rent at 12 grand. So me have half. He
Right.
say, alright, come feed. Raga,
Yeah.
when me reach down a Sugar Man Beach, I get all when me I look for, cause him and I work out back in rent, you know.
Yeah.
All me no get yet.
You know, get the range yet, but when you meet him
No,
at
but
the hotel and thing, do so,
he must say this time I stay for 2 weeks.
He must stay for 2 weeks and thing, and you know.
So me I say, alright, if I this me I forgot to forget the rent,
Right.
well,
Yeah, go through it, right.
things I forgot go on.
And you probably didn't like him enough to look a bit.
Yeah man, one long time man, but me never did have in my mind do nothing.
Right.
So me did an hour again. Everything go on and him say more smoke, so I go down in a lodge. So must do what me I do.
Yeah.
And come.
Do what
Make him
you
go
do?
have a drink. But yeah man, like be a dancer.
Oh, okay. Mhm.
But before he tell me say why me I work for people a bar, him have 3 bar at Elsha.
Mm-hmm.
He make me run one.
Okay.
So me I say alright, that man I look
Progressive.
like something I go on.
Mm.
Raga, after me get all when me I look for.
Meaning him put it on by a good
Me
start
say.
out. Yeah. And him go on wicked night with the
He
start
go
out
on
down.
with himself.
One bully per style and position and be something down.
Me say Raga,
Yeah.
when time I be, me say alright. You know me I search down the place now.
Yeah.
Come here say if in there for 2 weeks, he must have closed there.
Yeah.
Raga, at the paper we say you have 15 minutes in a people in place.
Well, I want to look a short time in book.
I feel like him book a 3 hour.
Yeah, 3 hours them you did it. I have read. A 3 hour, yeah, short time a 3 hour when in other places. So you say when you look, you see the
I
time.
just see one paper invite me Raga.
Yeah.
You have about 15 minutes in a people in place.
When you look on the time when him check in at 15 minutes
Yeah.
left. Yeah.
But
Yeah.
when we come there, me see the hotel people them a look for me like they used to him, you know.
Yes,
But me
man.
nah pay no mind see man.
Yeah.
Raga, me take the time, cause me shame them now, you know, cause me say some like that man they tell me, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, so when I go down there,
Uh-huh.
if I look up, I look down,
Well on.
I look sideways,
Eh.
Raga,
I got in
and me I look. Hey man, gone, Raga.
Well on. What a wicked. So when you go down there now, for go down there, so tell us go and be that
Remember,
thing
say
and
me
come
gone in the next half a rent, you know.
in the next half a rent you gone in there.
Yeah, because me have to pay fear, you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, Raga, when me no see man, you know, all me hear scark up. You know, you gotta take a country drive, and you hear ear lock.
Yeah, your ears can't up. You can't hear nothing
Everything for
else.
me car up.
Because you turn fool now, you know, your head go.
One night time, me I walk go down in a Elsha, me I walk come out back.
My God. No, what a wicked dirty man, man. So we
Raga,
no, well I know. So when you go down now, so when you tell us before, I say go and be that thing, I go down go well a drink and then you come down, man. And I think
yeah, because I said, yeah, me fi come, me go in a land, go smoke.
you might go in a land go smoke. So just come
Smoke.
down, man, and whatever and
Yeah.
thing. So you're well beard up nice now and
But
thing.
you know, me that fast at the time.
You did that
Because
what?
me I say, if he in there, there's a 2 weeks,
Yeah.
he must have closed there.
We must have closed there. All you see are the receipt for 3 hours. Done.
The 3 hour done, so done.
It's soon done. So when you go down there now, why you give it kind of like blow by blow. So when you go down there now, you look for him now. Where you did that look for him? Like, where you
Remember
go?
saying same have 1 bar, 2, 3 bar pa Elsha.
Not a bar
But you
that
know,
boy
me no know.
have. But go and talk,
Me no
yeah.
know which part of Elsha he have in my back. I never introduced me to it.
Yeah.
So, you know, me turn it that me walk go to Elsha gate, me walk come out back. Me walk go in, me walk come out
Hold
back.
on, but the hotel where you did.
A
Oh,
sugar
so,
man.
no, a sugar man. No,
Yeah.
but hold on, you did that at the hotel where they right at the entrance?
Yes.
Yeah, me know that hotel, you know. Me hear about it, you know.
Raga your body. So,
Yeah, me hear about that hotel, you know. Yeah, I don't want them have couple room in there with glass on the roof and them. So,
yes, all over.
yes, I have read. People tell me about it. That me. Go on, talk, yeah. So hold on, him did give you the mirror thing too. You did get the mirror
room
room.
in a mirror.
Yeah, the room have mirror where you go up on the
Mirror
roof.
night, yes.
Jesus, so when all the thing I go on here, like watch yourself in a mirror and
A star show.
I work for your rent money. What a
Yeah.
wicked dirty man.
Raga,
Mm-hmm.
after me come back to my sense now,
Yeah.
take a taxi, go home. But me I call the man in and the man a answer.
No answer to it. Oh,
Still.
God.
24 lock off.
No knowings for you this son now, you know. Yeah.
So, me work there so for about 1 year. About the next year, me then I'm a new workplace now.
Yeah.
And the man walk in with him browning. And I made the cashier.
Oh.
You see the man look up
I'm going to see you.
and see me. He nobody want cash, he nobody hungry. He tell the woman for cash.
Yeah. We need
And
to
meet him
go.
out him woman for meet him out the door.
Yes, man. Can't tarry us so.
So me say to my co-worker, say remember the incident that me tell her happened to me? See him man there.
See him there.
My girlfriend got out and say he's a dirty man.
Wow.
He should catch some AIDS.
And that she said she go out there and take him on down.
Wicked.
And start.
But me couldn't take him on because me knew upon the work
Right.
and me no want lose the work for this dirty man again.
Okay.
But Raga, me I tell you, me feel it to my core cause the rent for pay and me go in a next half.
Yeah, God in our next half. No, and that is after him did make sure so you did actually feel it to your core. You
Me
know what I
say,
mean? Hey, yeah, why Jamaican man them cool, you know, when the man tell us him own 3 bar and thing and him you know, kind of police and him dey on a 2 week, you know, assignment and thing and
yeah,
you have to come up and thing and whatever and ray. And when you go up there, the 2 week assignment is really 3 hours for us put it on for you. And then tell about him I go downstairs, go hold a look smoke, beard and come, beard and freshen up and come, I go downstairs, alright? And thing and whatever,
yeah.
and when you go down there, not, Mr. Man, not there
No
at
sign I'm
all. Wicked, in cool. So how you didn't manage with your rent, the rent that time, you know, since you have to go in at the other half, how you didn't manage?
no, you see the landlord when me did have now,
Yeah.
the rent are due tomorrow, she start sweep from today
I know that.
and start sing.
I choose some of them. I saw them turn. Them start and friendly and how you doing? How the children and just start talk up to you when the rent
Start
out for
sing.
Joe. Yeah.
So me we said to her, say, me I beg you give me a week
Yeah.
to find it. My girl start bust liberty.
Mm.
Start bust liberty.
Yeah.
But the happen that God come through for me
Yes.
and me give her rent.
Yeah, right.
But me see him back couple time from that. Raga still not cash with me.
And him not talk to you from that, though.
No sir, I'm not
I told him no one
talking.
yellow. Hey, let me tell you, you know, when you hear Jamaican woman them talk about Jamaican police and soldier them, you know, well, most of the police them, you know, man. Boy, I tell you, man, you think them, hey, them terrible, you know, man. No, him do your wicked this, so him do your wicked. If him no mind shall bad bless you follow him to rot it.
But yeah man, him was really a police.
But no, he's my police with you, but me I say him do your wicked this, man. Him go around your wicked, man. Jano.
But
But
Raga big up yourself,
no,
but you
no,
know, by watching the program you have me weak with a smile, eh?
with what?
With your smile.
But not talk about this is a CM pop down ragga for a long time. I don't know we not talk about smile and whatever. And that's me a old man now. You know see me a old man now and this and that. No, we don't know what I
Look
talk
good
about.
old man.
No man. There no, they don't see my big nose and my big mouth and my big head.
It
And
match your face.
yeah, man, my face now. All right. Me work with it here. Blessings,
Alright,
man.
take care of yourself, have a good night.
Yeah, man, respect, man. Cool. All right. No, him deal with our wicked people, Jano. What? What? Okay. No, people, Imangala, shabby man and whatever, I'm go around. People, you see how she call in and she talk about a mix up what she get done. Una must feel comfortable for do them something there, right? Cause you know me always I telling her how me walk 14 miles from town go Port Royal for sort out and never get it and the girl run me. Me can't go on a 10 million mix up when me get flap. And yeah, another mix up to when we win. But we're not afraid to talk about the mix up them one time, you know, when I get a beat, no, man. And them, they funny, you know. Yeah, man, they mix up the on point, man, see? Anyway, about a person that do them hang up arm, I could see how go on. Yeah. So they're not afraid to talk about the mix up them when they get done. Like, you know, when you do it up on yourself or something. Anyway, hello.
Hello, Raga.
What's up?
Boy, I want to talk the things about the little girl there around me and him sensible Raga.
Don't mind, they not can't code it up.
Alright, Raga.
Yeah.
Mila, Jesus, come back call out the pitney here.
Yeah, no call like.
Say Raga
Yeah.
one time there with a policeman.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell her, shh. Me get for me this policeman. Meet the policeman at town
Mm.
at 3 miles.
Yeah.
Cause the bus broke down from such place. We got torn. Raga, meet the man said it me look good, I'm a charming. As me reach a town, Raga, the man call me, ask me, alright. I'ma say yes, Raga. So he asked me to go for lunch and I did go Raga. Right a big tree did.
Big tree?
You know me big tree, you know me I talk over the Burger King.
Which part that? Out a tree, man?
No man, town.
Big tree?
Right up a big tree lane. One Burger King there up there so.
Okay.
Up. Yeah. So Raga, me and him eat the burger and him sit down and we talk.
Well, no, but you did have your own a burger, him and female own a burger though.
No, Raga, we can't see people and buy nothing from them. We not careless, so.
What you mean? No, you never have your own a burger, him and female own a burger?
Yeah, but me not eat from people when we don't know. Like, him have one burger, me and him a bite from the same burger, Raga.
Oh, okay. No, actually, you said we eat the burger. Sorry, me too technical. One talk, sorry. Yeah?
Oh, so Raga, the man invite me say.
Well, the fan a blow up on your phone here.
Me turn off the fan, Raga.
Yeah.
So the man invite me, Raga.
Yeah.
Say one buy me a pants.
Yeah.
I'm say, alright, no problem. Straight down a Mandeville Park where there, so when the man them walk on the road, they on the roadside, I sell the jeans, Raga. I say, no problem. I remember me come to buy my goods at town, but he make me buy my goods them and then he buy me the pants.
A Mandeville Park?
No man, town, Raga.
No, okay.
You
mean where the Mandeville bus them park? No, sorry.
Yes, right down a park.
All right, me understand. Yeah.
The Mandeville bus them there
right.
in the lane there.
Sorry, me understand now. I listen you and I pay attention. Go on talk, yeah.
So, Raga, him follow me and put me on drive and everything and give me $1,000. All is well, Raga. Me check him and tell him, call him 2 days time, say I'm my birthday. The man say want meet me at Ochira, so I say no problem. Come down there. The man come down there in our Martex, Raga. And me hear them pop out like how you see Whitney Houston and them pop out time head.
Yeah, because
Raga,
the car look
but
nice though.
The man try for use me. But when me look on the license plate, me find say I'm my brother one.
Well, the car where him drive come look for it, so him obviously don't know your brother. Him don't know say you are the sister and brother.
No, him don't know say the car where him a drive and my brother one. Him don't know nothing like that. And when me look, Raga, him say one go over. Them the time they are Jamaica granny name now, Raga.
Yeah.
And I go over there and I say, alright then. I want to live local life. First time in a hotel in a Raga. I say, Raga, cock up my foot.
Yes.
I get speaky, smoky, start twang, Raga.
Oh, you mean?
Lie down and start drink champagne.
Why?
So me down there and he feast and me drunk, Raga. Call him friend them, where am I go do me? How from where want me fi do? That time in the balcony, me India go like me drunk. You know what me do, Raga? We when I drink Appleton, Raga. When him out do a chat, some different liquor me mix up in a one, him make him go and drink it, Raga. But him no know say me mix the liquor in a Raga. Him did a drink and go on with himself. When me up at top now, me say to him, I want $300 figure buy one Pepsi. He say, all inclusive. And him not no money, him have to use him card. I say no. Raga.
Mm-hmm.
Sit down there. Me say, Raga, you know what me do? Make the man drunk. The man take the money and hide it in him boot, Raga.
Oh, fee
A
money.
chick,
Him hiding fee money in him boot.
fee money him hide in him boot, Raga.
So where you do
I
search
say,
and find it?
Raga him drunk now.
Yeah.
Remember same now no money in.
Yeah.
So if you lose your money, member say you tell me say you not have no money.
So him can't come to you, come send up now. Yeah.
Raga him drunk.
Mm-hmm.
Raga about $80,000 in the boot and I take it where.
You take
And
the
I
whole,
tell him
you take the whole 80,000?
the whole 80,000 him out there tell him friend why am I gonna do me per phone out on the balcony. So what you expect, Raga? What you expect, Raga?
Yeah.
You know what me do? I make a huge turn in a watch it turn. All me get me pass. Not even the member say there's some million.
Well, and them time then our 80 pack, you know, that heavy, you know, man. Don't.
Me say, Raga, me say I change the number the next day. Me cut up the chip. When me say,
Oh, you
I
cut out the chip for the phone, yeah.
Yes, I cut up the chip.
Mm-hmm.
You see that $80,000? I shot me like a man at me there, Raga.
And
I
in
buy
case
a
people
6
don't know,
case of Pampers.
she referred to the store downtown near Manhattan. There's a store. She not at the city.
Yeah,
go on that. Yeah.
You just understand what I say, Raga. Me not even shop now, man at my butt.
No, me explain because people up here will get confused with it. So yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
Me say, Raga, everything good and go on.
So you never buck him back, him never find you back.
Wait, Raga, wait.
Yeah,
no.
okay, go on.
1 year after me buck back the man in a traffic, I drive me same brother car. And the man see me, the man say, good morning, ma'am. And I say, good morning, sir. Him say, could you wind down the window? And I say, no problem. Raga, when the man look at me, Raga. Man, so when I don't charge you, you not even have here by your bengeling.
And he said, when him don't charge, you not even here, I gotta live by your front door.
Mr. Raga.
Yeah.
I get ticket for bad tire. I get ticket for steering something. Raga, I get ticket for glass. I get it for chunk. I get it. Raga, me alone get $80,000 out ticket, Raga, from the man. The man say me I take back the money, me can't get it back, but government will get it.
So him just like give me a ticket so for a whole heap of something down.
Jesus, yeah, me baby, a mistake me did make, you know. Me did junk and go when. Man said, don't give me that. You can't check a police. You can't ever check a police. You see, when me I go, me just kiss him. Not like kiss with me and you know, kiss after him and say, bye, baby.
And just low it out and thing.
Low it out one next time again, Raga. Go buck him, you know. I work at one place at Watcherias and buck him.
Yeah.
Tell him, say, bygones be bygones. Him carry me out of one particular place at Watcherias where I go on with string down power stretch the Margaritaville.
No, man, I know how man. Yeah, man, I know how.
And Raga, me sit down there, you know. And him ask me, and me don't tell my friend, say, no, give me some liquor when me never drink in my life, he make a big bill. Raga, like the man plant for me, you know. The bill when I $600 Raga. Every minute the man go on him phone, Raga, and attack, at twang. All different, Latin, all kind of sweet him a chat. So me I watch him. tell his security and my first cousin say, watch if him a go. The man when I go. And me say, hello, you not go left me with a billion, you know, cause I with drink and I'm this scene. Hear him. Alright, me I go pay. Raga, you know, so when me look for the man and me say, man, if you turn on pay the bill. Me alone have to pay the money. And the next day, the man book me and give me a mirror ticket again. Let's see how I could have cost. This is how kind of service me go do, Raga.
Well, well, yeah. Well, at least it work out a way where nothing serious did reach you or nothing that thing, you know.
But Japanese, Raga, me get to find out say I run one auto parts place up a Pineapple.
Up a Pineapple. Well, I know I bunks another call and thing, but Pineapple place I watch it up on the main, right?
Yes, Raga, me soon don't tell you fast and quick. Go up there and go tell the lady say his husband say fi give him 3 tire. Me fi get 3. She don't ask me me know her husband. Me just take that 3 tire there and sell it and squeeze it back out.
You
and
go
that
there,
was it,
you
Raga.
brave enough to go up there go ask the man wife say him fi give him 3 tire.
Raga, you left bill pan me have left bill pan you too.
Oh. Boy, you're brave. You're brave.
My heartless when me ready, Raga. But me change, man.
You change, you behave yourself now, don't.
No, man, me have pick me and see you have to set example, Raga.
Exactly. Me understand.
And big up yourself, Raga.
All right, blessings.
Continue
man.
Keep up your program, man.
All right, love and honor. Yeah, man, protection, cool. Should be easy. Okay, we could see where I go on here, so no. Somebody else, we are juggling, we are keep it snappy. Let's go. When the people, when them not come in good, when them not tarrying, I just go to somebody else, though. Hello? Dennis. All right, doing not answer. All right, we'll go to somebody else. Hello.
Raga.
Yeah.
Why me have one little short and spicy one, you know?
Wait, who this attack?
Raga, a long time I know you, you know my cousin Karen, you know? Karen Wildman.
Oh, yeah, when time when I start call woman name, I get nervous, you know, because...
Nobody worry yourself, man.
No, man, because you know, say me never do nothing yet.
No, you don't do nothing, bro. You go back.
No, man, big up Karen Wildman and team. Big up the real bus driver around here, you understand? Karen Wildman, big up yourself, because you are the real madhead in a Kingston, in the whole of Jamaica. You understand? Anyway, go and rinse me down. Yeah, man, go through. Whoa. Yo, sir. How happened?
Yeah, you hear me now?
Yeah, man, I hear you now. Yeah, you kind of cut off a while ago. Yeah, man, go on.
Oh, I just do me a drive, man, because I'm a bus driver in North Carolina.
I was seeing cooler, man, NC. Talk to me, yeah.
So, I tell you, say, one day now, I work at one factory near Big Joe.
Yeah.
So I meet a girl in the Caribbean in a St. Vincent.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
So me and the girl that talk over phone and thing and they you know, me I tell you, say about 2 months time, you know. The girl say, you know, I'm gonna send for you, you know. And I say, you don't know as a youth, me there do my little work. You don't know you want to go foreign as a youth in the ghetto.
Even if a little foreign, you want to fly pan plane, go a little foreign.
But more fly pan plane.
Oh, you mean, yeah.
You know, I see the Raga. Say, girl, say, here, I'm going to book your ticket. So I say, what? So I'm there and I fuck you. I say, dog, I got foreign. And the girl just called me a while ago and say, she booked my ticket.
Yeah.
So Raga, me now, see, so boom. I say, yo, bossy, I say, my supervisor, yo, me done with this, you know. No more, me not load no more container. Gone.
What? Are you serious? Well,
Yeah,
one phone call to be call and tell us
one phone call. Yeah,
she give you one call and say, yo, man, send for you come and St. Vincent. And you just,
yeah, I'm just saying to you.
and you come off on the
Yeah,
phone and start tell everybody, say, yeah, man, foreign me, I'm going, I'm done
yeah,
with this. I'm done with this. And
done with this.
what you do, you raise up your supervisor. Raise up your
Raise
man.
him up, cause long time I didn't want to body him up, you know. So I done with him in a rag. I say, I want to whatever your mother, you know.
Yeah.
You see me?
Send him up.
So, rag, I'm go, so boom, rag, and me not like 2 minutes from me yard. We run left on the bicycle when we ride down work.
I make everybody know say you go foreign, done.
Yeah, me tell the whole of my brethren them say, yo, me I got foreign.
Yeah.
So Raga, you know, so let me show you something. She called me back and she say, yo, I'm gonna want some curry. I'm gonna want some curry.
Yeah, bring up some things.
I'm gonna want breadfruit. I'm
Yeah.
gonna want ackee
Mm-hmm.
and ackee. So Raga, me go so boom now and wire up them something they reach out crossroad.
Mm-hmm.
You see me, white clothes and them thing there, I say, yeah, me I got foreign. Reach up in a ackee tree and I sing on them something there and see me close to them and I say, yo, me I going to them.
When you're up in a ackee tree, you pick a ackee for you sing while you pick a ackee down.
Yeah, me, you know what song when you yeah, me island taboom. Jamaican island taboom.
Yeah, man. Stanley and the Turbines.
Yeah, man, me I
Stanley.
sing that up in the ackee tree, man. Yeah, man, me I sing that up in the ackee tree, man.
Yeah.
So Raga, me go so boom now and me I tell you, say, me get everything in a banana chips, everything what the girl tell me say for buy in a Raga. So you know me go so boom. And go so boom and tell my cousin them pack clothes and everything and tell my cousin them and see them carrying them, me tell say, yo, me I got foreign, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, the girl saying for me, man.
Yeah.
So Raga, you know, so me go so boom, Raga. I reach a airport. Remember, me don't know nothing about this, you know. I go for the air horses and say,
you reach airport so quick. You reach airport.
Raga, me
So
I tell
quick.
you everything. Raga, remember say we have car, yard, everything. My mother do car rental, brother, not everybody there can find, come here, got foreign.
So she give you man, yeah, leave out something, she give you a date and time and airline.
Yeah, she said she buy the ticket, Raga. Remember, me don't know nothing about foreign, you know. Remember say me just want to go.
Right. And then she said, so what you do now? You pack
she
up
bought the ticket.
So
yeah, I pack up everything.
I did which airline?
You know, Raga, me not even know about airline. Yeah, me tell you, so the girl just said she booked my ticket and I need to come now. I to go to the airport. Remember, say me just want to go foreign, Raga.
And you tell her Karen too. You tell your cousin and thing.
Me tell her Karen. Yeah, me tell everybody. Me tell you, say the suitcase packed, Raga.
Then so why you never talk to Karen mother? Karen mother work out at airport.
Well, listen, gonna. Auntie Tati did their work. Listen, gonna man. Listen, gonna man. When me reach out, them say, can I speak to Claudette Chunks, please?
Yeah.
Them say, hold on. She busy at the moment. So me say, all right, can you check something for me, please? My girlfriend buy my ticket. It's over there. My name is Giovanni Christie. The people them search. Raga. Raga.
What you say?
Remember the Raga, me in a full suit of white out there, you know, man.
A full white in the
Raga, me I tell my brother say, you have to wait for me, man, because everything good, man.
Everything. And you make your brother leave because you know so she not
yeah,
go around you, know.
Me say the whole of the air people them out there, so check for me. Check ticket, tell them we can know.
Nothing.
Raga, so me I call the girl.
Yeah.
No answer.
You know, dog, you know, say a clown, she clown you out, a ground, she ground
Raga,
you
me
out,
get
you know.
chopped, me get chopped.
Me chop, you get chopped, man. So why you think she do that to you?
Raga, me say, Raga, me not do nothing to the girl. Me never deal with nobody else but she.
Nah, she probably all do it as funny now. So what you make a while out of, you know, or whatever this. You sure you never do her nothing?
Raga, me never do her nothing, Raga.
You sure you never deal with her and then I look at that woman and all them something there?
Raga, me nah look no other woman, Raga. Me tell you, say it's a big as, you know, she nah look for look no other man. Cause me alone now I rackle that.
But you say she's a big as.
Big as. When me say barrel, no, you don't know, say, yeah,
What?
round, no shape.
No shape, a big as, barrel shape or
Big
what?
as, yeah.
Oh, so yeah, so you did just attack to her if you go look for her.
Just cigar foreign.
Okay. Then Veen say she probably kind of mention that out and say, a weatherman I seen at me. Him like him take me for idiot. Oh, a foreign you want to go. All right. You go foreign man. I go and bring you up a foreign man. Come. Come at
Raga, me
airport.
say, Raga, when me come back and Vineyard Town, Raga,
Eh.
shame,
Shame though.
shame, yeah. Raga, me not even care. 1 week, me stay in my house.
Oh, you know, come out down.
No.
Run go and tell everybody. So well
Yeah,
on.
Raga.
So well on do. So you and her do so.
Raga, me not even get no front. Me I tell you, say, Raga, me and her talk over my phone. You don't know a little phone sex and them little thing there. I just that a new one.
So she never did there Jamaica and go on with nothing with you and nothing like that.
No.
Right? Oh, okay. John, no, she clown you out, dog.
Me I
See
tell
the
you, Raga, when me married now and thing and I come after me never trust it neither, you know.
that is what you call sustained post-traumatic disorder. So you say
Raga,
even when you're married and your wife the wife
and
did
then
file
me
fee,
married,
you
Raga,
still all when time your wife tell us everything get through and whatever, you still
everything,
never did I
Raga, when me
believe.
got embassy,
Yeah, yeah,
the interview,
yeah.
I come up and fiance visa, Raga, me never trust it same way.
You never trusted see me because of what you did go
No,
through. No. Yeah,
no,
say,
I know, boy, me I tell you, Raga, me friend.
yeah, because you know what you did go through before. No.
Me know what me did go through before.
So all when you did that come up and you go airport, you did traumatized, do anxiety, did that take you do, no, that time
Me
the
I
way you
tell
go.
you.
Probably
No,
when
but here what,
well,
she never let me know.
wait, when you did that come up that time and whatever, you never tell nobody. You never run go tell
No,
everybody.
no. Raga, I want to keep it secret.
The one that hold down to it, the one that was sick,
No,
you know.
I know.
You don't tell nobody
Raga,
again.
when me a go, Raga, and
Yeah.
when me a go in the morning, me afraid to tell. Me go so I go over there, I tell Karen brother, I say, yo, me a go in.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Me see my mother, I tell my mother, I say, mommy, this the one here look like it real this time, you know. So,
Yeah.
bam, my wife there, she there. So
Yeah.
we are got airport together.
Yeah. Oh, she come down for you. What?
Yeah, yeah,
Brap. Yeah.
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 Big up to that lady there, you know. Yeah,
See
big up my wife straight.
saying, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
man.
when me reach a foreign now, big foreign now,
Yeah.
me say, all right then, me not feel afraid
You're
now.
not afraid no, you can
Me not
relax
feel
now.
afraid now.
God, I want
Yeah,
you to
cause
come through.
when me I go through immigration, me give them the big envelope for them say don't open.
Yeah. Big
Yeah,
brown envelope. We know that
yeah.
envelope there, yeah.
So me know say me go for it.
You govern. All right
Yeah.
then. Think balance up
But
and
big
thing.
up yourself, Raga. That's the error. That does not me have to tell you.
No say a word, Mama General. Just go and big up yourself to here, sir. Protection,
Yeah,
yeah.
man.
Love and blessings,
Ah,
man. Cool. And safety
yeah,
on the
man.
road with the driving, you know.
Let's say I read, man. Up top, man.
It goes some man, cool.
Ah,
Yo, a dog say when him a travel again after that, man, the man did still nervous. Yeah. Based upon when him did go through before, you see it. All right. Well, they are just, hey, people may have come to know, me say, only for people a request. You don't know, say one time in the August town, and anybody who know this, nobody call a man name. But one brother, you know, him did the same, I go foreign, you know, and him do the same thing, you know. He go around and tell everybody, same, I go foreign and cuss out to him, and cuss out or whatever. But one of the things what him do now, guy was a progressive man, you know, when you're there ghetto, and you don't have nothing, and you get all somebody to make a bed for you, a big deal, that, you know, man. Big deal. You know, get the people them go all out. You see all the bed that feel nice and all them something there, you know, whatever. So him did have a whole heap of furniture, you know. And before he go and give the what not over there, so him get the bed over, and yes, when he get them with the people, them thanking at you don't even know. My Lord, thanks for this, because because the people, we might get the furniture, all of them different people, and them need it and thing and whatever and thing. Cut long story short, a dog roll up at airport and couldn't travel. He couldn't travel, sitting go down and he couldn't travel. You know, so when Mr. Man come back at August town, the man go around in every yard and take back everything when he get everybody, each person. All who are going like them want stubborn up a thing, but a man who could have hold him one certain way with certain links and thing, He have access to certain things and whatever. So even when some people are going like them now want to do it or whatever, I'm just like, hey, yo, give me back my bed, man. Give me back my cabinet. Give me back my whatnot. Man, just take back everything. Give me back my sofa, my settee, everything and whatever. Because I never travel. All of them look at drama there at Jamaica, man, and nothing normal. Here we go. Could hold somebody else and thing. A Ragashanti. Oh, hold on. If you're watching the show right now and you're not follow me yet, follow me right now. Follow me right now this minute. Follow me right now. Right? Hold on, Carla, me I come to you. Follow me right now. Make me soon follow me, right? So if you watch a thing right, see it there, yeah, nice. If you not watch a thing right now, you not follow me Cherry Wash Belly yet. Ragashanti, follow me right now. Follow me right now. And so we're going to keep up this. Most evenings and thing, I will be here doing the show. And sitting. It's a resurgence, right? It's a raga again, pandemic. Doing what I do. Right? Follow me right now. If you know say you not follow me, make sure say you follow me right now. In fact, I could say I was at the 38,600 and add. But want to reach at least 40,000 tonight before my leg of the end. So follow me right now, okay? Follow me right now. Senna. All right. Tap up your screen and all these things. And share the live and sitting and thing. Okay, let's go. Let me see what I'm going right here. So now bring in somebody else and things. See? Hello.
Raga.
You.
What God?
I'm good, man. I'm blessed, things are going for me and my thing up, I'm very thankful.
Why you for your left radio mash up, brother? Why you good there?
No, man, don't say that, man. You have people out. Big up Burger, man, and them people who deal with the thing down the proper, man. Why you ever say that?
Are you be tuning into late night, brother?
Oh, well, that was a different show. When you say late night, you talk about out tired. I don't. No, where you talk about? Okay, no. Them days, I say, what I go down? Talk to me.
You don't know what? Well, I'm just there for easy, I'm just coming in from the airport to see your life,
Saying. Which part there you yell from?
I know I say Canada, I yell from though.
Canada, all right. Large up yourself up there, I want to say, we the North, the North, all right? I want you to T that, or Montreal, or over BC, or what? Ontario, right. So you're somewhere near around the Canada, or the Toronto side there and thing, all right? All right. Big up yourself, man. So you just a yell.
Yeah, man. I just bless you up, man.
All right. Give thanks, man. I say a word, man. Protection to the IF family, all right?
I'm the boss.
All right. It goes so. Yeah. Greet.
Father.
Yo.
Where I did my general.
Some man they are surviving. Well, not survive. We are excel. We are prosper.
Yes. That's a food.
See? What I go down?
Yes. Say, I share one little piece of experience with you.
Yeah, man. Rinse.
Yeah, what go on now? So, this girl did live in my community, see?
Mm-hmm.
So, I like her for a long time. She older than me.
Mm-hmm.
So when I become of age, move to her. Say, when I go hitch, because I'm a big man,
You're a big man, so you step to her.
Yeah, my general.
Yeah.
So one dance did I keep out on the front of the street there, and we decide so we go together.
Mm-hmm.
We go at the party. So she tell me, say, yeah, what going on now? In a real life, she be straight up and say, yo, somebody take a piece of money off for you for the rare. I understand.
Oh, she said she would take her food off for you if she go send on.
Yeah, but nothing wrong with that, because exchange is no robbery.
Yeah, all right, yeah.
Yeah, so that was the first time, and the party go good, everything. I go home with her, because she live close to my yard. I just have to eat like one fence to step over there.
Yeah.
All right, so everything go good in a Raga.
Mm-hmm.
Get the goods.
What,
So
you get
before
it?
they know,
You get it.
me tap out
Hold
and
on, man. So it,
and
hold on,
eat the fence go back to my yard. But here I go now.
hear me?
You see the two thing them we use, the two life jacket them.
Yeah. Yeah. Hello?
Yeah, it's a sound delay, a delay.
No, it can't delay, man. I true you have on them and I tell you about the echo thing, them, man. Are you just talk to me in the phone?
Yeah, I hear my father.
Yeah, me I hear you. Don't listen anything else.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So, I go some boom now and tell us now, in the before day, mother leave because our man will come there in the morning.
Yeah.
So the life jacket them what me use now, there was a bag on the front door.
Yeah.
So she put the life jacket them in the garbage bag on the front door and it hang up on the front door out there.
The garbage bag hang up on the front door, on our front door.
Yeah.
Outside.
Yeah, so it's like a ladder bag, a scandal bag. She have on the front of the door.
Yeah.
On a nail.
Yeah. Okay, all right then.
Yeah. So me put the thing them in it, you know.
Yeah.
Two of them me use.
Two round you did go? All right,
yeah, father, 2 round.
2 round you go. So you go so boom man. A 2
Tally on some Campari and JD.
You did on the Campari and JD, so a 2 round you put on her, don't?
Yeah, my general.
Yes, see.
So here we go now.
Yeah.
In the morning when they light out and the man for the yard forward there, you know.
Mm-hmm.
The girl have a puss in the yard. And the puss tear down the garbage bag, you know.
Yeah.
So anyway, she blame it for her friend because she have a friend who used to forward at the yard, you know. You see me?
Oh.
So
Well, you make a big jump, you know. So they push tear down the bag and what now the 2 life jacket, the 2 condom them go come out, the used condom them.
Yes.
Yeah? And then
yes.
what when man a yard turn up, what did happen?
And that me I go tell him say him start make a big deal out of it.
So him see it?
Yes, him see it, man.
Yeah. And start going
so
go
on. She'd have a friend who used to come at the house. So she just put the blame on the friend.
Yeah.
Anyway, that person and gone, you know. Me get to it. So next night now, me start beat it now regular. Because I feel it now.
I hear a thing now, don't?
Yeah, my boss. So we take go over there one night now, so me get a little quick one, you know?
Yeah.
You know some rum, you know?
Yeah.
So me get a quick one.
Yeah.
So here when I say no Raga this time, I say me not make no mistake. Because me a boy love wear my peak cap. And I say I want a peak cap, I love wear my peak cap.
Cool, man.
So when I go over there now, I just tell mama, say, baby, listen, I want to get a fast back as you know. So here I go on now. Raga, when me pull the life jacket out of the wrapper, me take the wrapper, put it on my head, and haul down the cap on it. Because I say me not left nothing over there, no evidence.
No evidence. So you move your cap, take the wrapper, put it on your head, and put on back your cap over the wrapper.
Yes,
you're not left
exactly.
no evidence. See, they're like a real G. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, we in a farm, you know, in a saglan horse, a race in a man.
So that means that when you work and I put it on the hat, not left your head.
No.
Okay.
Father.
Yeah.
Boom, she did the phone ring.
Yeah.
And the warrior that I forward, I call and say, yo, you know, some out of shop out at the front of the lane. What kind of drinks you want?
Where you want,
yeah. Morocco, George.
Yeah.
The girl turn idiot. The 2 hours turn idiot and I also the girl I say, oh, you have to hurry up and come out because of trouble is again, you know.
Yeah.
Raga, me go so boom. Hurry up, jump in on my pants. Because just my pants, but it just drop off, you know. Because what says a quick one, you know.
Yeah, quick one, yeah.
Hurry up, pull up my pants, zip up my pants now. See me now like an idiot. I look for the condom rapper, you know. I don't remember where the rapper there, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
Me say, the girl almost start bawling. Come out and go. He said, come out and go. You won't kill me. You won't kill me tonight. Me I said, Jesus Christ. Me have to go so boom and beat the fence now.
Yeah.
I reach up on me and with all honesty, me a fret fear and come me and say, Lord, I got a trouble this, you know.
Yeah.
You're a guy, you don't know, say when I'm going to the house now.
Yeah.
And I go bed.
Yeah.
And go so boom. And take off the attack from me head.
Yeah, that's how you see the rapper. Look your man, yeah. Chop. So yeah, look over here, you can forget something and thing, and in the moment, you know, anxiety and stress make you all forget, you know, and thing and whatever. But so you and I did the outright after that, you did just go and dip on the side and juggle.
Boy, you know, say, it kind of pop off. I just want the moment there.
All right, before you go though. All right. I want to give you 2 rules for a man to be a good bonner man. Just 2 rules he must follow to be a good bonner man. All right. 2 rules. Just 2. Say now, make we hear them.
All right.
Yeah.
1 rule, let's see, Raga.
Yeah.
Never you go fall in love.
Never you catch feelings and fall in love if you's a bonner man or a side woman. All right. Don't catch feelings. Don't fall in love if you're a bonner man or a side woman. Right. 1 more rule.
Yeah, because that will cause problems. When you start get emotional, it will cause problems.
Problem. You get confused. All right. 1 more.
And the next thing.
Yeah.
Never you say, yeah, take a chance and don't use a condom. It might have caused the biggest problem in your life.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, because you can just say I go there 1 time without that. I end up get all of youth.
Yeah, you know, push out the navel. Yeah. Yeah, problem in it. So, all right. So, never you say, all right, this 1 time, me I go raw, whatever, that you say, and never you catch feelings if you are a bonner woman or a bonner man. All right. You hear the diagonal 2 rules, right? Because some of the bonner man and bonner woman, you know, now move right. All right, big up yourself for your daddy.
Yeah, what I say, right, father.
It goes some man, protection. No, that's something that we all forget or whatever and thing, you know. Sapphire, wow, go on. Yeah, you know, man, impossible, man. You know, sometimes people forget some things. Hey, you ever hide certain things yet and hide it from yourself? You never hide certain things and I put it where whatever this and that, and then after you hide it and put it where whatever, you can't, you know say you hide it, but you can't remember where you hide it. And one of the most annoying thing that me I tell you, man. Sometimes you hide out something and you say, you know, say me I hide this car, then pick the devil go this or such and such will go thief it or one of your relatives them will go, you know, take it away or whatever, and you hide it. And then after you hide it, you end up and look for it and you can't find it. Murder. All right, then send on the request them and thing or whatever, you know, by next week we will start work with some topic. We did have a look at topic, but our old topic, you remember the long time topic that we did have and thing where I say, I'll know your ex no say, right? Anyhow no can, we did a deal with that one day. So if anyhow no want to touch a topic, they no can come in with it, right? If you know, just say, I'll know your ex no say, right? Something what you do. Well, I'll know your ex no say you did do it. Give me a link and tell me what go on. I want to have a long time juicy topic that from back in the day. So I'll know my ex no say and tell me what it is. In the meantime, if you're there, make sure say you follow me, right? If you're there, I watch you live, follow Ragashanti. Follow me right now. All right? Follow me right now. Right? Follow me. Remember back in the day, the DJ them used to say, follow me, you know. Admiral Bailey and them. Anyway, good night. Hello.
Hello, Raga. Good night. I just want to tell you that I've been a fan of you.
Okay.
I was younger, going to high school.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's my daughter in the background.
That's okay. That's okay.
So I just want to share quickly so other persons, other listeners
Yeah.
can come in and weigh in. So something that I've done that an ex don't know that I did
Yeah.
is I cheated on him
You cheated
with
on him
another ex.
with another ex.
Yes.
And him no know
The
say
ex
you did
before
cheat with
him.
another ex.
No, him don't know that until now.
And him did about you too? You know if him did about you?
Raga, I was so loyal to him for a good time, for
Ye-
about 4 years.
Right.
Being a good girl, going to work,
Yeah.
going to class, going back home, cleaning shoes as him come, me take off him shoes, take off him uniform, rub him down, make him go, he always go a bathroom, cool off and go a bathroom, go bed, him dinner care come him. And then boy just a go and snap up style for me. So I say, look here, all this good girl style done. So me just draw for your ex.
You just drive for the ex and I know him no say you did run it on the ex, though.
No. I
See
me
it there?
just go and behave same way like a nice, loyal girl, humble as a lamb.
See it there? All right, now say a word, man. And big up your
Alright
little
then.
one here.
Alright then.
It goes someone cool. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah. When I call it with any mix up, you know, right? When I want to the feed, so I only have a call, well, request, me I say calling. Well, request, you know, TikTok, right? But when nobody feels say, you have to just deal with the topic, guys. You never want, you see how Pandora just call in and she drop her mix up. Yeah, I want to the juggle see him here, so yeah. All right. Good night, hello.
Hello, Raga. Big up yourself, brother.
Yeah, what go on?
A long time me I watch you, long time, long time.
See it there, see it there, see it there.
And me just get the opportunity to talk to you.
All right, you dep on speakerphone or Bluetooth or earpiece?
I'm a earpiece.
You think you could have come off of the earpiece? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And you have a fan a blow up on you? Eh?
You turn
Caller?
it off now.
Yeah, all right there. Yeah, man. Go on talk now. You sound much better now. Yeah, man. Why go on?
Yes. Raga, I don't really no mix up, Me just have something to say
Yeah.
about the woman we buy the birthday cake for her mother last night.
Yes, yes.
Me just want to say something on that.
Yeah, yeah,
After she said she buy the cake and she go surprise her mother and she go in and see whatever she fi see.
yeah.
So when you did I say no? Woman in her 50s
Mm-hmm.
want them little sort out.
Right.
And me at 55.
Yes.
And me love it.
Right. In fact,
We,
what the studies have said for whatever reason is that the libido of women, them used to think say a 40 max out, but for whatever reason, a 50s are run it right now. In other words, the highest sex drive a lot of women are experiencing is when they're in their 50s. That time them body a call. Yeah.
exactly like a cause. In my young age, I never love it like that.
In a your young days, you never really love it like that.
No.
And I know in a your 50s, I know you love it, though.
I know me love it.
I know it nice, though.
I know it nice.
Why yo? You get enough now?
And as you say, some of the picnic them
Yeah,
want feel like tell us say you can't do that
right.
or whatever.
Yeah,
So one day me I tell you say me and my daughter go in a one party place.
yeah,
We go eat.
yeah,
So one man call me. After the man call me my phone when me get a video call, me have to open the phone to see the person.
right.
So the man called me and he couldn't see me. So he called and say, what babe, do you see me? Hear me daughter. But see, who that? Me think said, I did you, baby.
Well, so she hear the man I call you babes.
Yes.
And then she hear that and flip out. And which man I call my mother babes, no?
All me could have said. Later me will call you back.
Yeah. Because you don't want your daughter in your business.
No.
No. Okay.
Because certain things where you do, you can't make them know nothing.
You can't make them know, even when they're adult and think that they can't manage it.
No.
Right?
But at the end of the day,
Yeah.
last night you say you done woman in them 40s, 50s and 60s, don't grow them picnic, don't grow them grand picnic, don't do all of them there. They
So,
don't respond to nothing else.
right.
But
So,
themselves.
but themselves, right. I
When
made that point.
them gone a road and them gone there, so some married and some gone there, so.
Yeah.
And you not married.
Yeah.
And you're there home
Yeah.
by yourself.
Yeah.
They don't understand what going on.
And wagwan, help with your just give you a little sense when they say wagwan, when you're there one by yourself and thing, wagwan.
They don't understand what going on. You just like your mind just a car, you don't brilliant.
Okay. Yeah.
Remember one time when me did the kill man
Yeah.
and I work.
Yeah.
And for the longest while, nothing me no do.
Yeah.
And one night I get a start to.
You get a sort out one night, right? You're from a little leave.
And me figure work next morning about 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
And me say, could I wait?
Could you wait? Why
Could you wait?
you did go hard with the
Me,
sort out?
my mind just relax, stress gone, everything. Me sleep.
Well, you say after you get the fix up, you just relax and you just asleep and go away. So no,
Me just asleep, I go
be
so.
asleep.
About 9:30 me hear my phone ring.
Yeah.
And my boss.
I said, where you there?
Say, where them? Me say, you know, sir. Last night, me don't know if a food poison me get. But me eat some shrimp.
Yeah.
And me just wake up in a middle of night and scratch.
Yeah, you just draw a card and give her a pill right away. You know, send her white. Yeah. No, but you see, I'm glad you reinforced the point because, again, we are raised in a culture where it's standard for us to expect that as women get older, they're supposed to be conservative. Them not to live them life certain way, them not to sort out. And this thing about, oh, she a big man now. She fi stop think about sex and she fi go in a church. She a big man now. A big man like that, no fi do them something there and thing like that. I think as we as a nation, as a culture, people we need to move away from that because a lot of the ladies in that age group are asking us to move away from that. Give them some respect, right? We now say the ladies them and the man them in that age group they're supposed to open and brawling and graphic with everything where them a do because children must still respect them parents and parents must still respect them children even when the children them grown and whatever, you understand? But at the same time this thing where people want to restrict older women especially because part of it is very sexist because we're very accommodating and permissive with men. All when man are 60, 70, we are rate them and big them up. Why? Let's see all female, you see this and that and them can go and good and whatever. And we allow the man them to do them thing. But when the woman them want to live a fulfilling life, sexually fulfilling too, Or the man have a look a boyfriend and look a company with a look a boyfriend and things, somebody who they can laugh and chat with or whatever. No found have problem with that. Like you don't want the woman them live them life, you just want them with that way. You don't want them stay home and just like them a figurine and crack rip on shelf. You know, you don't want them stay home like the special plate them what Jamaican people keep in them cabinet and only bring out on Good Friday and Christmas and whatever. That can't work. Lord, the woman them make them live them life. Lord, the woman them make them live them days are done. Right?
Them the days done.
Yeah, and the woman them want to do this something. Worse like how Jamaicans now want to expand on a repertoire of pleasurable activities. And nowadays, everybody I do the something. Well, most people I do the something them. Allow the woman them make them enjoy them life, them to and go on with themselves. Yeah. All right.
That the girl the last night. Actually, you know, if me want to say something to her, you know, when she has said she begs with her mother to one here
Man
because
here.
she can't see what she not to see. I disrespect that.
Well, you have to understand how traumatic it was
Yeah,
for her to walk in the room and see her mother.
kind of understand
Hold
me.
on, she walk in her room and see her mother. Well, cock up and take a full strength of the thing and whatever. That mash up her head, man. Remember tell her, you know, she can't. She did a try hard to get that image out of her mind, you know, and she couldn't.
Couldn't get out
Fear
to.
difficulty, you know, she hate her mother, you know. It's just that anytime she look on her mother again, that's all she has seen, you know, when mommy in that position, they take his strength, you know. That rough and enough, you know. I remember she said her mother is so big in the church. And
Yes.
the mother
And then the
was
mother never fear one.
well on, and she said the mother was so big in the church, and the man where the mother at where she see her mother take live a yard with fame woman with his wife. So she said that mash her up because she had held her mother in such high moral esteem. She said it was just motivating herself to go into the church. And she said after she see that, it mash up her head, man. So you have to understand fear look a trauma too, you know?
A true man. Me fear what she comment to say if none of them in there. Come and listen.
No, man, when I talk to me, don't watch your comment them, man, because it take a cause can't feel. But anyway, big up yourself here.
Big up yourself, brother.
Love and blessings,
Hey,
man. Cool.
you see, back in the days,
Yeah?
you see you
Me.
and one man we then call Baba Chunde.
Baba Tunde, may his soul rest in peace. Yeah.
You see, Uno too,
Yeah.
me have to listen no straight.
Yeah.
Sometimes, one time when I used to come on the radio program and me burn up my party, you know.
Osh, osh, osh.
So, but just I tell you, enough respect, enough love. I'm not stop follow you. I'm not stop listen to you. I'm glad you reached that TikTok.
Blessings, man.
Big
Blessings,
up
man.
yourself. And you look young and fresh and sweet as always.
No, man, me a old man, man. Me a old man. All right?
Big up yourself,
All
brother.
right, cool. Yeah. All right, as usual, the only thing me go bother on the fact, you know, say TikTok a whole heap of something going on over here, so whole heap of something going on over here. But the only thing me bother on the fact, when I'm over here, if you not follow me now, right? Follow me, right? I just that me a work on over here, so follow me, right? I want to build a community. See? Follow me. Okay? Let's go. I keep it open, and if you don't want to talk on the topic, you know, I'll know my ex no know say. You just call in and tell me something where you do. I'll know your ex no know say you do it. Right? Right? Your ex may do what she do or him do what him do. But you know, she or him no know what you do. Just call in and tell me about it. Good night. What's up?
Good night, Raga.
What's up? What going?
Well, I'm there.
See?
Yes, we have one of these Mixup people.
Yeah, man, talk up nice and loud in the phone, make we hear what I go and send on.
All right.
Yeah.
I may have one cousin, you see?
Yeah.
You're a big woman still.
Yeah.
And he was talking hard, you know. You hear me?
Yeah, you have to just stay still and talk in the phone. Here? Yeah.
Alright, so I tell her say she used to con man hard.
Okay.
Yeah, so we deal with this man, you know, Mobile. He drive taxi. So this man used to come, she have one bar. So he used to come down for weekends. Every weekend he come here 2 big captains bakery.
Every weekend he come and
Bakery bread,
carry
you
2
know.
what?
Big captains bakery bread.
Fair. 2 big captains bakery hardware bread and
Yeah,
bring fair, yeah.
yeah. So she have one daughter there and the daughter is here, age, you know.
Yeah.
So we used to trouble the man behind him back and call him bread
They call
or
him
bready.
bready.
Yeah. So one day now, our next man come at the bar. But the bready now, you know, bready ugly, so she not give bready nothing.
Bready ugly.
Yeah, bready, I don't know, up class man when she, you know, when she
Oh,
want to go to that, she just a carry and take the
she
money.
just a take off things off of
And
bready cause I make bready feel say him a go get
right.
something, but bready nah get nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nah, get nothing.
Yeah. Yeah.
So last Saturday night though, bready come at the bar
Mm.
and he did him a flask, you know. And the other man come now, so bready have to keep his skin quiet, you know. So my cousin just go with the other man now, right?
Yeah.
And Brady left there. Brady vex, you know. So me look, me see Brady drive out to the yard. And me and my cousin in the house and laugh, you know, man. And
Mm.
you know, we are chat Brady, you know.
Yeah.
We did, it's like the man drive the car, go park.
I don't hello? Hello? Hello?
Na the,
Well, I know no when when I hear you for a
yeah.
long while, you know, I don't know
You
what
hear
you
me?
do. I don't know what you're doing with the phone, but you break up. I will not hear you sometime when you're talking. Yeah. Eh, hello?
Alright. Internet I go in and out.
Oh, the internet. Oh, okay.
You hear me now?
Yeah, I hear you. Yeah.
Alright. So me I tell her says like Brady park the car. So me up on the road and walk come back in the yard.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And did you listen to me? And did you listen to me and my cousin a chat him in the house and I laugh after him and I call him bread man. Me only hear one piece of tumble down, Mr. Ragashanti. When me look through the window, bread man shoot down the fridge because the bar they right in front of the house they say no. He push down the fridge and run out of the yard. So when he run out of the yard now, me go out on the road there.
Listen, we're not hear
And
nothing.
he says,
Well on, we're not all of what you said
where the
just now, we're not
internet at?
hear nothing, what you said a while ago, yeah? Yeah, we're
Me
not
say,
no
when
no
he push down in fridge, right?
yeah. No, you
Him
have to
run
talk
out of the
faster.
yard.
Him run out of the yard, yeah.
Yes, when he run out of the yard now, cause me and my cousin realize yeah, him push down the fridge and run out, you know.
Uh-huh.
So we go out on the road now. Me see my brother asked him say if he see him, so my brother say see him a do 180 I go to the road, but he don't know what. So brother just run go to the road and jump in a car and just drive off.
Got,
So me call my cousin now and we tell her what go down.
yeah.
So the man where she go with now, them
Ye-
a circle him because I won't be him come from now, so them a go at every entrance where they know say him could drive or figure. Moby side. But then couldn't catch him.
Okay. So Brady get ready then, after I push down the fridge. Oh, all right, we have a look at
Brady get way.
Yeah. All right, Brady get. Well, she have some difficulty there with our internet and thing. To go in and out. Brady push down the fridge out of vexation and cut. Because Brady hear the two of them beat him wicked, you know. Brady never like that. Hello? 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 Try somebody else. Hello? 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 Kimisha? 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 Why these people send them requests, man, and when them come on, them not pay attention, man. Hello? Hello? People if you send in a request and thing, man, balance on the thing so that when I come in and thing, when I just start talk, all right? Let's do this, come on. The person and now come in. Well, I guess sometimes some people internet too give problem though. All right, that person not come in. We'll try somebody else.
Hello?
Yes, hello?
All right, Raga, long time listener.
All right.
From back down in the days when we're up underneath the mango tree, mandingo days.
All right, now say a word, man. Now, who this lioness?
Yeah.
All right, talk to me.
Anyway, I have a quick look at story where happened back then when I was younger.
Yeah.
Like, it's like when I was younger, I say about 10 women fight over this man.
Yeah.
So I say, I want to know whether man I make the rest of them fight over him. You know?
What about him,
so? I work on lift up Jamaica side.
Yeah.
Anyway, send on my number, we start link a little and he say, when your birthday come, so I tell him when I'm a birthday, he say, what you da like? So I tell him, but one of the woman them I didn't baby mother, you know, but she and her friend them, a gang one that woman for him.
Okay.
So you know, so rather one night the man comes up and send a taxi for me now.
Well, you want him to start
deal?
You want him to start deal?
Gonna pay me out up a mud town.
You want him to start deal?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, man, me and him start deal. Then Raga, if me see so much woman fight over one man, me no want to know him have.
Well, okay. All right.
Pick me up polygamy, Ghana mud town.
Yeah.
Raga me in the house I drink a shanty. Me say Raga, a piece of Tambourine one. You know, so the woman reach up there. So when she down the wall of land lease, gone through mud town down in a gully. So when me make my way, I go Papi in school, out back to Papi in school now. Me see the woman back come in a Raga come. Me see weird things that she come for war. Me can remember me a big coward, you know. But I call she come back. She said, girl, come here. She said to me, say, do. Come go back with me, because you see, if you not go back with me, I'm going to walk and tell everybody say come tear off him door. Running woman, because she don't want to lose her friend, them, you know.
No, so I
never you me come for war. I think I did one other one lock up in the house named Tanisha. Cause him tell me say him and her no this, so I think she and him lock up. Me say Raga a tremble. You want to see my foot dirty with mud. But anyway, I did go back go get my sort out.
No, wait. No, well, you did kind of cut out look a bit. So when you in there and she come there, whatever, what did happen make you run out of the place? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Right, you not hear me?
No, me I hear you now, man. But before, we never hear what did happen make you run out of the house.
The man and the woman, she come and tear off the window, so him and her gone at the front door, a wrestle, a tussle, because she think him lock up with another girl when him Tanisha.
Right. And what you did
So
do
me
when that
take
happened?
myself through the front door.
Okay.
Because remember, me a big coward, you know.
Yeah.
Me say Raga through and gully me run, you know.
Yeah.
We reach out of Papi in school. And she that me see a hustler come, me say, Jesus Christ, the woman kill me now.
Yeah.
So, cause remember, you know, me say, a gang, me see them a gang people, so me I say them a bad girl.
Yeah.
So Raga, she said, no, come go back. I never you. Then Raga, the woman carry me, go give back the man, you know, right back. She put me in and
No, me don't believe you. Well on. You serious? So well on. Then she and him not there too.
She and him there, but it's like them have a complicated relationship.
So she tell
but
you.
But him have a next woman up there because the man bad.
Well on, so she call you back and say, no, I don't war, me want war you. Me they think of Tanisha. So you can go back.
Yeah.
So she basically send you back now if you go back, go sort out her man.
Raga, me say I get a sort out. I'm a daughter father now.
Well, wait there. You are the man end up at the right out.
Raga get burnt till I nearly burn up.
No, me mean say you and him the end up at the right out.
Yeah, almost leave.
No, so
and then me end up get the whole bakery. Now me know why everybody did that fight.
Yeah, but you know why you did that get in already because you see same was a gallus from before and thing and you go in it and
Mr. Raga,
and you get to
me get national captain coronation.
No, but yeah, what me I say no, me I go reason, you know, me want other woman listen to me, you know, right? If you know say that man about 10 women are war over him constantly and them a bad girl, right? That means him involved with them, you know. That's why them a war over him. And you say you want to know what's about this and
know where the man have.
All right. So you go so now, boom, and you're up on the ends with him and thing and I drink champagne and ready for go masha works with him and thing and whatever. Because obviously when you and him start talking, it never load up, right? And then now Miss Lady come beat.
No such secret.
Voila, Miss Lady come beat down the door.
In Raga,
11:30. Miss Lady come beat down the door. And thing and war start with him and her because she come for beat the girl in there with him. You run out. Listen to me now. The lady, the woman who agreeing with him too, with you. She call you back and said, no, Anna, you
Mr. Raga, she run
listen
me down.
to me, she run you down and tell you, say, no, man, you can't go back because me did think of Tanisha. But since you can't go back. And you really go back there so go sort out, man?
What you say?
And you really did go back there? And you go back and get your fix up, no?
Yeah.
No, you brave, you know. You're brave.
I'm a coward, you know.
No, but me I tell you, say all things equal and thing and whatever. If you take a woman, man, and the woman come catch you in a house with the man, and then she come for war, and then you are run and she call you or whatever. Listen to me, other people.
I never me sure, so me never go back.
Me I said no, she could have did a draw card, man. And thing and whatever, I saw certain thing reach out certain people. You can't make no woman team me them made it.
I never think of it like that. I never think about
no, because your mind they just depend on body. Your mind they just depend on body. Right? But when me I say,
Remember some yo, Raga be I tell you some yo.
you're young, auntie, okay,
In
all
my
right.
20s.
In your 20s, auntie. But me just I tell people out this, yes, if I'm a woman come, our man yarn for war with the man and you did it, and thing, no make that woman the tame you. No make she tame you, don't get too comfortable with that woman there because she could have tame you if you do your back something and thing. If you want to go back there, so go back there upon your terms and tell me some man, say, yo, we have to go hotel in them, and govern your thing and make sure Ray and watch your head back and
Raga.
thing. But you say you did young, so
I
you
tell
don't
you.
even really know what go on them time they still. No.
I tell you, see, I tremble and like I tremble like a leaf.
Then so well on you know, then all when you did get the look of workings and thing, you never did nervous and still
No,
afraid.
them time them stop tremble.
Them time they stop tremble.
A
What I
long
think?
time.
Long time when you're under the treatment, you stop tremble.
Stop tremble.
Well, when you're under the treatment, you stop tremble though.
Stop tremble. Mr. Draga supposed to say my foot the mud up. Me have to get him to get water and wash my foot clean. Jesus
Before him
Christ,
get the
I'm
fix
try
up
it
though.
now.
He must have clean up your foot. He must have clean up your foot, wash your foot before him could have can work you after that. No.
Me I tell you, Mr. Raga mud me run through.
I you still stay overnight there, though.
Yeah,
I
him call back the taxi for carry me home 5 o'clock in the morning.
see it there. And then now, you know, it end up that you and him did all a deal and end up now your daughter father that. Look at that, he.
Yeah.
Think you're easy. Well, any of them, oh, him did have a baby mother too before you, so okay, boy, we are doing
My
thing.
daughter the 14.
Your daughter the what?
14.
Your daughter end up being 14th picnic.
Yeah.
So when you and him start work and you know say him did have 13 picnic now and you did go, you did still cool with it though.
Rather than my problem, I feel problem.
I feel him problem that so him must did that treat you good then. Them time
The
then.
man nice, rather the man nice.
Nice oh.
In every aspect.
Like Wawa.
Him take care of woman.
Yeah.
All of that. Him know for treat a lady.
Okay. All right then. And him start to turn up.
Right up.
And him good looking.
Him not that good looking, no, but him not hard to look pan.
You know what? Jamaican women, me love her though. Jamaican women, me love her no. Hey, a Jamaican woman, me not really hear no other woman talk. Well, me and some other Caribbean woman. But me really hear no other woman talk, say, you know, if say, nah man, him no good looking, you know, but him not hard for look pan. Or if a man pop down, he say, no, me not like him hard for look pan, him really, really hard for look. So what you say, him not that and a really fierce boy, but you know, him not bad for
But
look
him
pan.
a jack of all trade and master of making babies.
Jack of all trades. When you say jack of all trades, him know if he make money though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, hear me tell you, Raga, the man a jack of all trade, but him a master of making babies.
Master of making babies. I look a baby factory D. Yeah, that's how it go. All right, now say a word, man. Blessings and respect.
Big
Yeah.
up yourself.
It goes some man, all right? Protection. Cool. Why people, ladies, or even men, me wouldn't advise you not to get comfortable with them. Where if your mate, or one of your mate in this case, I call you and I said, nah man, me and you cool man. You can go back in, go do your thing, man, and whatever. Me don't know about that something there, because I don't trusting thing with nobody on that level and whatever. You understand?